Hey guys, welcome back. In this React video tutorial we are going to learn how we can use React routing in React.js. So let's get started with this video, and first of all I want to show that what we will achieve at the last of this video. So you can see that this is the UI like a menu screen, and these are the original screen which are the screens. Like you can click on the home screen. The home screen will be rendered whenever you click on the about and children's, so it will change according to the navigation, and you can see that as a tab also. So let's start with the code, and I'm going to delete the whole code so that we can start with the very scratch. So I'm just putting here some G here. Okay, so here I'm going to write React.js routing. Alright guys, okay, so just go on the Google and write React.js routing. Alright, so here you can see that this is a React Native link, so you can go with that, and you can write GitHub also, so that you will find the GitHub account also. And this screen is also for help. This is very helpful for routing also. So I think that is pretty slow today, so just wait for some moment. Okay, just try in the another tab. Okay, so I think this is enough for us actually, so you can write we have to include this first of all. Before that you have to run one more command. I'm telling you what exactly it is. So you have to start the actually internet is not going to work, so you can write here npm install --save and react routers -tom. So just click here. This file, this package is already installed in my computer, so this is no longer I need it, so I'm going to just cancel it. Okay, so just after that go to your code and import this screen, import this package here from your code. So just see your package also, so you can start your npm once again. Yeah, okay, so when a new package is working here. Okay, and after that we have to import some screens to attach the navigation or routing. So I'm going to import, first of all import about from about screen. Alright, and import one more screen which is child. There is nothing more than some text. This is like about screen, home screen and children's screen. So right here child, and just import one more screen which is home. Alright, see is everything is fine, of course. So now just remove the remove the div and write here router and close it. Okay, so now we can take a div here inside that. If you will not take a div here, it will show you that you must have only single child inside your routers. So now just take a UL here, close it and take li. Oops, close it. Alright, so now just use the link tag and write attribute true. With that we can make it blank for now, because this is for home link. So I'm going to write here home. Alright, so let's see, is it fine? Yeah, just make two more links here, one for about and write the path with that, and at the last just write the child. Okay, alright, everything's fine for now. You can put here HR tag, to align break. So now we have to use route. These are the actual links which we have to it will work like an anchor tag, and now we have to define the path. So for path, just use the links and you can take the path here, path attribute, and a path of form is blank, and component which should be integrated with that, which is the home. Alright, and now you can close this. And for the home you have to use the exact keyword. Okay, alright. So okay, so if you want to take some help from this, you can see that the lots of code is here, and you can also take the code from here. Okay, so now just import two more screens here. Second one is about, and pass the name of component, and just last for write here child, and attach with the child component. We have to remove the attach exact from here. Now just go to your browser and you can see that this screen is going to work very fine. So you can see that whenever you are going to click on home, the home screen will be here, child screen, and about. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you understand the basic concept behind the routing. And still if you have an issue, you can put me in the comment box, and please give a thumbs up to the video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you want to catch us on Facebook, the link is given in the description box. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.